Hi everybody, welcome back. We are back from vacation, and we've been back from vacation for a while now, and as soon as we got back from vacation I got sick, so that's why I haven't made any content lately, because I have been down under the weather, down and out, down for the count. But now I'm a little bit back up, and I wasn't even going to do a video today, but something exciting happened. I got my new KTG hat. My new Kevin Todd Gerber hat from Hats and Guitars. As soon as I got it, I'm like, well, I got to do a video. So, because I can't wait to look at it. This is the Nostalgia Premier Open Crown. It's gray with a red ribbon, maroon hat band. Oh, and it's a box in a box. Cool. And Kevin's hats are from McGill since 1895. Kevin Todd Gerber, who is a great guy. If you've never watched his channel, Hats and Guitars, I highly recommend his channel. He's a wonderful guy. He also has a Facebook page and a Facebook group, Hats and Guitars. Show your hats, and I'm excited to check out my Nostalgia Premier. So excited that I'm not gonna let a sinus infection hold me down. Luckily I'm getting over it, but ooh la la, aha, ho 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 ho. Look at this. All right. And I got it open crowned. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, would you? Hey, that's nice. That is nice, huh? I like that color. I like that color. There's the sweatband, the hat liner. That feels good. Oh, that's a soft sweatband. That's a good looking hat right there. Let's see what it feels like on. Ooh, this is gonna feel good. Of course, I got it open crowned, like I like to do. Look at that, huh? Let's see if I can form it a little bit. Just do a simple little shape in it for right now. This is nice. This is not as thick as a, of course I compare everything to a Fed 4. This is not as thick as a Fed 4. There you go, just a quick shaping on the fly there. Nice. This thing shapes very easy. Shapes very easy. All right, look at that, would you? I like this. I like the colors. Of course, I'll tweak it here in another episode. I'll really tweak it to get it looking good. I just really wanted to look at it and really wanted to show you guys, because I was so excited about this hat. I really like that. It's a 5.5 inch crown, open crown, and a 2.5 inch brim, snap brim, 5.5 inch open crown, 2.5 inch brim, raw edge brim. Really nice hat. The ribbon is kind of an old school 30s style I forget what Kevin calls that. I like it though. That's different. Doesn't have the pinch that some ribbons have right there in the middle of it. But I like that. I like the colors on that. That's good looking. That looks wider than a 1.5 inch ribbon. It looks more like a 1 3/4 inch ribbon. I mean, because I know that it started out, it was going to be a 2-inch ribbon, and then he changed it. He decided to go with a thinner ribbon on that. I like that though. Look at that. This thing's thin and it's light. This is definitely a I think this is definitely could be a summer fedora. I know I'm already sweating, but I've been sick, so I've been sweating anyway. Yeah, this is, look at that. Look at that sweatband. That's nice and thin. Real leather. Real leather sweatband. Well, that's good. I really like it. All right. Kevin Todd Gerber, Hats and Guitars. Check him out on YouTube. Check out his Facebook page, his Facebook group. That's the word I'm trying to think of, group. All right. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it a lot, and I can't wait to shake this thing. I may go with a teardrop in it. Let's see. I've been wanting to do something with a teardrop crown, to be honest with you. And I think this might be the one to do with a teardrop crown. I'll have to I'll definitely have to do it where I can look and see what I'm doing. What do you think? That's just right there on the fly. Just like that. Huh? It's different. I like it. I like this a lot. Kevin. And his styles, he's got a whole bunch of different styles. He's always coming out with some new styles. And I am going to do a Hatter spotlight on Kevin and his new styles. Like, he started out after leaving JJ Hat Center, he started out buying and selling vintage hats. And then he decided he was going to start his own hat line. You can tell I can't stop looking at it because I like this. I like this a lot. This is different. For me, this is if you've been watching the channel, you know this is a big difference for me. And wow, I like it. I really do. I really like this. I like this. But he started out buying and selling vintage hats, and then he decided he was going to do his own line of hats, and with McGill in Canada. And he is really, I mean, if I had the money, I would have bought 3 different styles of hats, because he has had so many good looking styles of hats. And we'll do that in a Hatter spotlight and show you all these different styles of hats he has. But he's got another run coming up. Run number 3 is coming up, and he is taking orders for run number 3, I believe, now. All right, well, I tell you what, I am going to go back inside where it's a little cool, so I don't lose my voice again. That's one reason why I haven't, that's the main reason why I haven't done any content, is because I actually lost my voice. To try and do a video, it would have been murder on your ears. And not too well for my throat either. Not that it hurt, but I'm sure it wouldn't have been healthy for it. Okay, well, all right, well, let me know what you think. It's different, and different in a good way. It is a positive difference, and I like it, and I will be wearing this a lot. I can go ahead and tell you that right now. All right, well, thanks a lot for coming back. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for being patient with me. I really appreciate that too. And come on back and see us for the Hatter Spotlight on KTG Hats, Hats and Guitars. And until we see you again, y'all have a wonderful week, and God bless.